attention. So I should probably just ask, because I'm not really accomplishing. I was just really hoping someone would reply that like I know, so that I didn't have to like ask random strangers. This is where you all realize that I'm a incredibly nervous person in real life. Like it's weird that I can talk to the internet, because like in every other situation I'm so nervous. uh, hmm. Hmm. Uh, oh, hey, there's a guy with a sword talking. Sorry. Nah, I feel bad because like I want to just get to like if I might just like give up and like not actually worry about any of this crap, and then just just go back to like event design or something. Because that's I don't know. That's like that's like that's more like real game dev. So uh, maybe that's what I should just do. Uh, yeah. I mean, I guess like it would have been nice if the timing of this like weekend, this event, it just seemed like so fortuitous. But I guess really I would have. Oh, what are is that a real thing? Yeah, you said that earlier, but I had no clue what the heck you were talking about. You just said like whatever. So is that a real channel? Are you saying a real thing? I assume it's DOS Gaming, or else you'll have to be more clear. Uh, um, yeah, no. If you know a channel that would be interested, then oh, that one's offline. If you know a channel that'd be interested, please. I'm freaking desperate, you guys. um, sorry. Uh, I kind of just want to make a burner account and then just bomb into random channels. Would that be bad? Kind of want to do that. Would that be bad, you guys? uh, Sub Super. Is this someone that you know, or just a channel that you like? Oh yeah. Oh right. So yeah. So the whole point of this project that I'm working on is that I wanted to make it for specific. I mean, like, I'm probably gonna run it in my channel, or like I'm probably just gonna run it regardless. But so the Ludum Dare October challenge is to, within the month of October, start a game, like start a new project, and by the end of the month, the goal is to have made to have earned what is it? The goal is to or have earned at least $1 as a result of that project. And so I don't I don't want to like monetize anything really like directly, but I wanted to so yeah, so to meet that challenge, I wanted to make something to go along with the charity stream. And all right, cool, yeah. Thank you, Len. Um, to go along with the charity stream to encourage I don't know, just another level of like interaction and participation for like a marathon stream. Um, yeah, so that's what I was thinking. Is like I might just like do a burner. I might just make a burner account and like just bomb in using the burner bot. But like I don't know. I also want to be a little more dignified than that. So maybe I'll just maybe instead of that, maybe instead of like pursuing like random ends, I'll just wait and see if I hear back from anyone. At this point, I really don't expect to. I feel like if I was going to get a reply, I probably would have gotten it sooner than this. But yeah, I guess, maybe I'll just work on event design instead. So that way, if we find anything, then we'll at least have more events ready and raring to go. I guess that makes about as much sense as anything. I just because I'm a truly awful person, I think I might I think I might have another snack before I get back to work. Would that be just truly awful? Noise. Noises from the internets. Alright, I'm just gonna have, I won't have like a full meal or anything. I'm just gonna have like another quick snack. Oh man, I really should have just gone offline, right? Because like this is awful. This is just deplorable. This is offensive. This is just bad internet right here. But I appreciate you guys for sticking around. I can't explain it, but I do appreciate it. So sorry, just 1 second. I guess I should at least play the game. Because I'm not doing much else right now. So yeah, it's the other thing. I was going to do a text pass on the commands for events. Excuse me. So yeah, let's do that. Aw. So sorry. Oh yeah. Nah, maybe. Yeah, so I was thinking like maybe I should switch over to using the verb, but I think actually just using the key phrase is probably better. Because like for example, in the one with the rock in the middle of the path, like push is like the verb for both of them. So what differentiates? Yeah, I don't know if I could actually like really like 100% maintain like a consistent system like that. Oh yeah, no, that's like exactly what I was. I don't know. Yeah, no, I totally. I mean, like, that's what I'm looking for is a channel that would not object. But I mean, like, don't go out of your way. Like, if you don't want to, like, if you don't know the guys or anything, like, I'm not that worried. I just, I don't know. Yeah, like the whole point of the whole point of it is to like add to the experience. So if it would detract from the experience, then I don't, I don't want to interfere. But I don't know. I think there's some value to it. Uh, hmm. Alright, so I'll just do a text pass to make sure. I guess I can do the text pass without playing the game, but yeah. So flowers, frolic, cower. Left, right, cower. Chase fires. Chase the scoundrels. Put out the fires. I might just want this to be fire. I put it as fires, plural, because if they're, I wanted it to be clear that, like, multiple participants could help with that. But maybe I should just put it as fire, singular. So chase the scoundrels, put out the fire. Goblin arsonists have pillaged a village. Put out the fire. I'll leave it as fires for now. No, oh, yeah, no. Fire makes more sense. Methinks. Hmm. So, cross and swing, I think are fine. I mean, cross is a little bit. I could do bridge and vines instead of cross and swing. Yeah, I might do that instead. Well, no, then I would do vine. I would want to do vines plural. Or yeah, I'll do swing across a vine. Or whoops, yeah, no, I have to change the entire phrasing of this one. Otherwise, encounter a perilous bridge. Oh, yeah, that's why it was written that way. Actually, yeah, I'll just leave it as cross. Will you cross it, swing across vines, or cower in fear? Yeah, whatever, that's fine. Alright, so like it I mean yeah, no, I guess it would be super cool if I could get this bot up and running, and I hope to do so as fast as possible because daylight is burning and like this marathon isn't going to go on forever. But on the other hand, like the more time I spend putting in events, the better it'll be like when it goes live, so that is also a very good thing as well. So it's definitely not like wasted time. And it's quite what I would be doing anyways. So that's all good, I guess. What time did I start streaming today? Like 1:30 or so? I'm coming up for like 4 hours. I definitely haven't been pushing myself, as you might have noticed. So, I'm really not running out of energy or anything. So, okay. Sorry for the downtime. Let's get back to it, shall we? Let's make events. Yay! Yay! Yay, events, yay. Yay, events, cool, happy, good time, fun. I don't know what I'm saying. So... well then. Alright, sorry, I'm almost back. I swear. I'm almost back. Alright. Here we go. Alright, so... Whoops. What did I accidentally disabled portraits for a second there. Alright, so, yeah, where were we? So... I just checked if anyone was watching the channel right now, and I have expected the number to be at 0, but, you guys are troopers. Super cool, too. My favorite people. So yeah, let's make more events. I mean, one thing that would be nice is if, I guess it, duh. Oh. Yeah, well, thank you for looking. So, I guess, I might want to get more organized at this point, like, actually try and come up with something, like, a little bit more, well-rounded. Because, like, I've basically just been dropping in the events just as, like, just for the sake of getting events in there, like, I might want to get a little more, higher level with, like, how to think about these things. I mean, I could come up with, like, more event types if I thought that that would be a good direction to go. I think, I don't know. I think that the event types that we have are pretty versatile, so it's kind of like it's kind of like a game wherein, once you realize that there are different event types, then, I mean, I guess it can make the bonuses more significant. Instead of, like, just adding an extra 1 point, it could be, like, the difference between, like, getting a meager amount of experience and, like, a significant amount of experience. Oh, yeah, that was actually something that I had toyed with. I was, like, thinking of, like, in the case of, like, a perfect score, you could get, like, you get a significant, bonus. Yeah, actually, I kind of like that idea, so let's revisit that. So, like, in the case where you, what? In the case where you, so yeah, sorry, event type, event type 1, the either or case. If you get, like, if you hit a certain threshold, so yeah, there's like the threshold wherein you do not succeed so much, and then let's make another type threshold wherein I mean, I guess threshold probably corresponds to type more so than individual events. I mean, I guess I could want to tune it on an event by event basis, but I think it's actually more like a a general thing. Like, I don't think it'll be, like, particularly specific from event to event. Like, they're probably all going to use the same values. But yeah. So then for the so yeah, it seems a little bit weird to find it on a event by event basis, but I guess I might as well anyways. All right. So for event type, at least for now. Oh no, I could switch that over. Nah, whatever. I'll just stick with it for now. Alright, so event type 0, event type, right, so the current threshold is zero point 0.2 for victory. Or no, for the opposite of victory. You only have to hit you only have to, wait, how's that calculated? 0.2%. It's like you only need 20% more. It's like a 60-40 split is fine for that. Let me just double check how I'm calculating this. Because for one thing, I might want to change that value. Light Man, hey, welcome back. You missed nothing. I took a little snack break. Sorry. Alright, so event type 1, yeah, so the threshold, the difference, yeah, so like 60-40. Alright, so yeah, for one thing I'm gonna, oh yeah, so I decided to work on the game. Like, I put out feelers, like I sent out a message to some contacts to see if anyone would be interested in checking it out, maybe. But I haven't heard back yet. So if we hear back, that'd be cool. Or if we find like if we find like if we find a channel by other means, that'd be cool. But I'm not gonna worry about it for now. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna add more stuff so that if and when we do find one, we have more going on there. Specifically, yeah, I'm adding in. I think I'm bumping up. I'm raising the stakes, I think. So yeah. So for one thing, I think the initiative bonus is going to be more than just one. So where's the initiative bonus calculated? It's in global time. Is this it? Yeah, initiative. So yeah, instead of just one, let's do +2 maybe. Yeah, +2 is probably fine for now. And then because like the whole point scale is going to go up slightly, so I want to raise the stakes of everything, not just I don't want to make it trivial. Yeah, so for one thing, I think I want to actually put this up to 0.25. So this means like a 65. You need at least a 65-35 split in order to succeed. And that's I'm not making up that number randomly. I'm again going with like the 66 or the 0.6 repeating or 66.6 repeating percentage as the 3-player case of 2 people do one thing and one person does the other. And I just want to make sure that is an okay case, because if 3 people playing the game is unfun, then that's weird. That's arbitrarily weird. I want any number of people playing the game to be fun. It might be that you can't like thrive. No, that's legit. Because like in a 3-player game, in order to get the perfect score that we're about to implement in an event type 1, then you literally all 3 have to be doing the same thing, because it's going to be a really high percentage. It's going to be like maybe 45 or something like that. So like you basically need like at least 95% of your people doing all the concerted effort, and then if you do, it's like a windfall. So yeah, I mean, if I made it that high, I could go like a little cray with how many points you get. So I guess just to like screw with people, I could change event type 0, so like you get like a random number of points. That'd be kind of fun, right? just to keep people guessing, keep people on their toes. That's like what is like the intended thing. Yeah, I think I kind of like that idea. Uh, um, so yeah, let's do that also. Um, that way, sometimes cower might be like ridiculously good. Like sometimes cowering in one of those situations is gonna like break the bank. Not really, but like it'll do like a non-zero amount of something. So hey, all right. So yeah. So oh yeah. So 0.25 for event type one. Yeah. I really should. I really should. Yeah. Right. Yeah. All right. Cool. Thank you, Lion. Uh, I really should separate these thresholds out. I feel like. Oh, I went with 67. So maybe I should go with like 60, or like, maybe I should go with like literally like 26, right? I mean, I guess that's not barely different at all. But yeah, I'll do it, whatever, 26. So you need like a 66-34 split in order to get the first one. And I guess I could actually relax this one too. Nah, whatever. 26-34 is fine. Or 66-34 is fine. Alright, and so then yeah, I think for the higher score, it won't be super ridiculous. It'll be like zero point 0.4 and 0.9. So like yeah, so we should do thresh and EV5 dot. Oh yeah, we have to add this to the. Yeah, no, heck with that. I'm gonna standardize these. So yeah. All right, and also that's yeah. I can really cleanly simplify these. So all right, so like good thresh equals 1 divided by 3, I guess. And then great thresh, or thresh good and thresh great. Thresh good. And, oh wait, yeah, no. A thresh great actually means something different for type 1, but that's fine. So, yeah, should I, thresh good, so thresh great 1 will be, wow, that's some progress. 0.5. Oh, is integer division weird in Python? It's weird in oops. It's weird in C# sometimes. So I'm just gonna do that in case that helps. So thresh great 0.5. Thresh great 2 equals 0.9. Oh no. Nah, no. You know, I don't need separate thresholds. I can just do it based on this. So yeah. So 1/3, or no, sorry, 2/3. 2/3 and 0.9. Thresh good and thresh great. All right. So yeah, now I can get rid of this. So I can get rid of all these. Delete. 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 Alright. I guess I could probably change the these values to actions. Well, I mean, I could just ignore those values, but I do still need the actions. I guess I don't really need them to be a dictionary. I could just have like a list of actions or whatever, but whatever. Whatever. Whoops. Hold on, I took off my shoe and I dropped it. Because I am apparently supremely uncoordinated. Alright. Hey, welcome back. Me. Welcome back, me. Alright, so... Right, thresholds. New thresholds. All this math is broken now. Oh no! Alright, because yeah, the cur ev thresh no longer a thing. So I should probably keep an eye out for that, considering it's used a few places. Only those 3 places, possibly. Those might be the only 3 places that it gets used. Oh no, there's some. There's some more. Some more of that. Alright, but I think those are the only places that it gets used. Alright, so I need to change the math because I'm thinking about these things differently now. So case 1. Yeah, so this is pretty straightforward. Oh, so actually I should... I mean, arguably I should put in new outcomes. But actually no, I'll just like prepend like perfect exclamation point or something. In the case that, yeah. So, yeah, let's actually do that. So event timescale and then event perfect equals false. Alright, so sorry, I have like one eye on my to see if I'm getting any notifications from the people that I asked, but I'll stop glancing at that. Alright, so if actions 1 minus actions 2 divided by the sum of those is greater than or equal to cur ev thresh. Instead we're using thresh good. Because thresh good is 2/3. Wait. So are we changing? Hold on, wait. Oh wait, no, yeah, no, we do have to change what this means. Because, we don't want it to be the difference anymore. We just want, yeah, so we can actually drop the second term. So if action 1, if adict, which is the tally of people who took this action, divided by the total number of people who took an action, is greater than the good threshold, then possibly this, except before we jump to that conclusion, let's check if it's not greater than the great threshold. Because if it's greater than the great threshold, then Shazam, as they say. No one says that. So if it's greater than thresh great, then and then what we used to do is now an else case to it being great. So in the so if you get good, then that's like an extra point. So instead of 1 experience, you get 2 experience. But if you get great, then So right, so then in that case, bdict cur of action 1 equals 4, because you get 5 points total, or maybe 4 points total. Nah, 5 points total, because it should be quite celebratory. And that what was we call it event perfect equals true. True with a capital T. Yeah. All right. So then we do the same thing in the other case, the case where oh, and then these also represent perfect cases now, because in the case these represent like even more perfect, even perfecter cases, because these two are the cases where 100% of the et cetera, et cetera. All right. So so let's borrow this whole shebang. And drop it in here, and then change it to action 2, action 2, action 2, all right, yeah, all right, and then, all right, so then also, place this, jazz with the other, whatever, etc., etc. Place the other thing with the whatever, hoo-ha, and the whatnot. Save that. So if you get initiative and perfect, you can get 7 points. But it's not that hard to get that, actually, because you can change your vote at any time. So like, in order to get the initiative, all you have to do is put in a valid option within the first 10 seconds. To get what was I saying? To get perfect, yeah, that one's a little bit tricky. So maybe I should tone it down slightly. Nah, whatever. It's aspirational. Alright, so that was case 1. Case 2. How are we using thresh? Oh, right, yeah. So, right, this is where we have to do a little bit. We have to get slightly mathy, but not that mathy. What is it? If wait, what? The difference? Oh, right, because this is the one that we changed the definition of it? No, if the difference between action 1 and 2... Oh, right, yeah, because this is the one where we're trying to balance it. So, how do these ratios apply here? We want to get... yeah, we kind of want to do... We're going to, like, flip it on its head a little bit. So, if that ratio, so if the difference between, I guess we want to do 1 minus. I mean, I guess we could have done it the other way around, but, So 1 minus, cur of thresh is how we're calculating it now. And then again, like as with before, oh, I'm a little nervous given the context for that one, but whoa. Whoa. I don't even know how to describe this. It's just like, it's a little surreal to realize that I now have a browser on my other computer. I have a browser with like 7 tabs of like photoshops of myself that just were gifted to me from you wonderful people. It's just a strange feeling, I guess. How to describe that exactly. Thank you. I don't know what I did to deserve this. But thank you. um, I have no clue what to do except to continue. um, so, what am I doing? Dude, why are you indenting weird? Right, yeah, so we have to set up like an else case like before, I guess. No. Else. No. No. Doesn't like how I'm doing things here. Oh wait, no, this will happen. This will happen regardless. So that's not actually part of the else case. This will happen regardless. So that's not part of the else case. Only the value assignment is part of the else case. For which both of them will be I forget what I missed. Oh yeah, no, Ref, this is 4. Right. And the perfect thing. Event perfect. Hey, remember that time I got very little sleep last night? I'm gonna blame everything on that. Everything. Event perfect equals true. Alright, this one's really interesting. Oh! It's not event perfect, actually. It's action A and B perfect. So... Actually, should I just do event perfect? Nah, I'll do A and B perfect. Yeah. Or 1 and 2 perfect. Oh, I don't know why I'm not showing these. I don't know why I'm not showing these on my primary screen. Do you have the hoodie pulled up over? Oh man, I'm keeping this browser open forever. Never gonna close it because these tabs are the greatest. Kind of wish they were on my main computer so I could show them on camera again, but that's fine. Alright, yeah, I should do A perfect and B perfect. Just because of, specifically because of, well, a lot of things. Because it makes sense. Because it makes more sense that way, I guess, is the important part. So, perfect. And I should keep my terminology consistent too. So great 1 and great 2 equals false. False until proven great. So event perfect. This is actually great 1 equals true. This one is great 2. This is great 1, and this is great 2. Yeah, because in the case of a lot of these, like only one of the options actually turns out perfect, and the people could still, like some slight number of people could have still chosen the other option, or a lot of people. Oh man, sorry, I didn't think about that. I guess, yeah. Alright. Man, I'm sorry. I hadn't been thinking about that, but I guess it would be a little disappointing not to see it, especially after all that hype. Um, well, yeah, we'll do it at some point. You'll see it happen at some point, if not today. But I will still try and do it today, even if you're not here. Yeah, thank you for tuning in. It was a pleasure to have you. Uh, I it's just like I know like over the course of time, like a lot of different individuals like tune into this stream, but like there's a very core group that that I don't know. I don't know. I consider like my stream friends, and so it's always great to have you guys around. I think you guys know who you are. um, have a good night. Uh, oh, no one's hoisting the mizens. Oh, whoa. Was it? Oh. Was it not giving you your stats, Jonas, or were you just like saying stats a lot of times in a row? I guess it did give them to you both times, but yeah. All right. Uh, oh man. All right. All right. Uh, so okay, so grade 1 equals 2, grade 2 equals 2. Yeah, so then just coincidentally in this case, because of the nature of event type 2, either both are perfect at the same time, or neither are perfect. Right? Yeah, because this is the one about perfect balance. So grade 1 and grade 2. Grade 1 equals 2 and grade 2 equals 2. And that's the only greatness here. And then right, okay, so this one's a little different because this one, what do we declare them perfect up front and then let them get invalidated later? I feel like that's how we tend to handle this case. Maybe not though. Yeah, I think we do. Yeah. All right. So this one's like kind of the opposite case. Oh wait, do we? No. Oh right, yeah. Because no, these ones start at 2, and so I should change that too probably. We could just stop using those values, or both. um, so yeah, so yeah, no, whatever. This is fine enough, I guess. All right, event outcome 0. Grade 1 equals true. Grade 2 equals true. So, oh, huh. Maybe, depending on how many people choose cower, this one could be very easy. So, I think I want to change the math a little bit. Oh, yeah. So, I'll say total and total A. Total A will not include action 3. Total A equals 0. In fact, total A will only equal the sum of these two. Yeah, so this again, except for total A, and then this again, total B, Oh wait, no, not total A. They're both. I mean, not total B. They're both total A. And then yeah, so total A is not going to include cowering. So we will assume greatness for both of these from the start, but that'll often get disqualified because because. Alright, so yeah, if total is greater than 1. Wait, what? Total is greater than 1? Oh, right, yeah, because in the case that there's only one adventure, we don't discredit anyone. Yeah, and that's good. Oh. Yeah, no, that's fine. Alright, so, yeah, if total is greater than 1, if, curve action in ADICT, yeah, so, if, right, okay, so if, how do we want to do this? We want to do it, oh yeah, so we want to use the, wait, how do we want to do this? 1 minus 0.5 times thresh good. One minus 0.5 times thresh good. Eh? ADIC divided by total, right? Yeah. It's greater than, wait, greater than or equal to? Oh yeah, right, because this is a disqualification case. Wait, this is the disqualification case. So yeah, so this actually has to be -4. Event outcome equals 1. Event timescale, outro, string. Sure. This is slightly confusing. But yeah, there's, again, like we have to then also check for greatness. So, oh wait, should we check it in the reverse order? This time should we check for greatness first? Disqualification of greatness before we... Right, because yeah, if we disqualify for goodness, then there's no place to check for greatness. Alright, so yeah, actually, so first we should do threshold great. So yeah, the way this is set up, so 1 minus 0.5 times threshold great is going to be 1 minus 0.5 times 0.9. So 1 minus 0.45 is going to be 0.55, so 55%. So for greatness, you have to have fewer than 55% of adventurers, and specifically, it has to be the adventurers who took an action other than cower. Just because we don't want this to be a freebie. This could be kind of freebie-ish, if not. So yeah, we're gonna be a bit stingy. And if you disqualify for greatness, actually, it's only -4. No, it's only -3. It's not, because it could still be good. Oh, right, so actually, yeah, let's not even worry about it yet, because we what? Oh. I should choose how I should choose how time extensions work. I should change how time extensions work. Because they don't work quite how I would want them to at this point. Alright, anyways, let's finish setting up this conditional. So yeah, so we have the great case. So if we're disqualified from greatness, I guess we should also check if we're disqualified even from goodness. Oh. Yeah, because if we're disqualified from greatness, oh yeah, this is a very interesting case. Like 2 and 3 feel very similar, but they're actually very different. So I'm glad we explored this space. Alright, so now all adventures and threshold good. So if oh yeah, so if we're disqualified from this is the bad case. So this is the -4. This is the event outcome 1. Okay, so let's indent all of this stuff. So this is the -4. This is the event outcome 1. This is the event timescale, etc., etc. Oh yeah, I guess I should do fun things with the event scale for greatness too. Yeah, first I'll finish this. So we're okay. So if we're disqualified from greatness, but we're not disqualified from goodness, then this becomes -3 because we did good. So we get 2 points. And before I forget, I need to up the scale of no, I should probably just normalize this instead. So I should, yeah, nah, yeah, no, I should make this less weird. I should make this less weird. That's what I should do. So this equals 5. No, this equals 4. And then the other one equals the similar other one equals 4 also. Action 2. And so yeah, so it starts out at 4. And then in this case it goes to 0, and in this case it goes to 1. But I do still need to remember to do the thing with the stuff up top, so I might as well do that now. Although I need to remember to do this as well, so maybe I'll do this first. Yeah, just like up here, we do this, except now we're checking for action 2. And this all gets indented, as with the other stuff, and we add in an else case, wherein a similar sort of thing happens. Similar sort of thing. Oops. So this is 1. This is 0. The rest is correct. Wait. No, this always said action 1? This should have said action 2. Oops. Oops. Bug. Bug. Save that. And sorry, I'm just gonna look online for a quick second. Flip-a-doop, flip-a-doop-a-doop. Man, I was really rooting for these guys. I was hoping they would find their viewership. But it seems like it's just one of those days, and you can't. And if I knew the magic to bajillions of viewerships, then I mean that's like about what I get on a given day. So I can, etc. etc. Those other guys were doing really well. Anyways, I keep getting distracted. I keep thinking, what if? I just want for Lion. I want to do it for Lion. Lion said I should. Lion said I should do this. Alright, I can stop following these people. if by the end of the day I don't find anything, I will, I'll just bomb someone's chat and see what happens. I'll just make a burner account, I'll bomb someone's chat and just see what happens. Wow. Sorry. I was getting distracted. Hey, look, it's that guy. Star Citizen. Who's Star Citizen? Why do I recognize that name? Oh, wait. No, I recognize Star Citizen, right? Do I? Star Citizen playing extra. Maybe I just recognize the name of the game as well. I don't know. Is that? Oh, no, never mind. Yeah, no. I was thinking of something else completely different. I was thinking of... There's some dev streamer who has like a like a sci-fi project that I was thinking might be that, but no, it's Sol Trader is the one I think. Yeah. Not even close. Oh, hey, look, it's the official channel. I wonder if they'd be interested. Why do I keep going to the advertisements? No advertisements. Cool. Oh, there we go. Alright. Anyways. What was I? Yeah, what was I? Oh yeah, I was still in the middle of the stuff. Right, because I need to. So, all right, so this is all touched up now, but now I still need to come. I still need to change. I still need to. Excuse me. I still need to change how the scoring is set up for event types 3, because these are just one-on-one, and I don't. I'll probably even stop using these. Probably. I don't know. I might continue to use these. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways. I mean, I could also normalize these like the thresh bonuses. So I could say bonus good, bonus great. Oh yeah, bonus good equals 1, bonus great equals 4, and then no, I don't feel like doing that right now. I could at some point. If the scoring system gets any more complex, I don't want to do that. But yeah, no, for now, is that it? Is that? Well, I still need to. So I need to yeah, indicate when you get perfect on something. Which happens where? Here, when we're appending the indicator for a given thing. So yeah, for yeah. Oh yeah. So I guess I should do it. I should do it that way instead. I guess. All right. Whatever. So right, instead of these things, I guess I'll have gdict equals dict, which is silly. I really should not be doing it like this, but whatever. Gdict. So silly. Alright, the great 1 and great 2. So yeah, so instead, yeah, it'll be more like something like this. Bdict equal, or so gdict. Oh, wait. Oh, no, I can just do it that way instead. Yeah. Derp. I don't need these things at all. Mwahahaha. Even easier. I don't need gdict. I don't need any of these silly things. Greatness comes from within, or something like that. No, not that one. Oh, and I forgot to set him here, so that's... No, wait, did I? No, this is... What is this? Yeah, I must have forgot to set him here, I guess. Yeah, totally did. Anyways. Whoops. Alright. Yeah, no, so we can just say... so yeah, how do we want to present this information? It's like, climb. I don't know, I keep poking at my device. It's fairly obvious what's up with stuff. Yeah, wait, how are these things formatted? Cross +2 experience. I guess I'll put it before everything. So like, you've crossed the river, yay. Perfect cross, +2 or +5 experience, and then the number of adventures. Perfect cross. I should probably draw attention to it. So like all caps, maybe? No. No, it might just be noticeable enough on its own. Alright, but yeah, it goes at the front. So, outro string. Yeah, before we do this, we should say, if, what, bdict a key, if bdict a key, oh wait, can we assume bdict? Yeah. Wait, can we? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we can. Yeah. Okay, so if bdict a key equals 4, that is the great case. And I mean, I guess I should have been consistent with my terminology, but whatever. It is going to be, the text here is going to be perfect. Perfect. Whatever. I mean, I guess I could add in the qualifiers of like, yeah, I mean, I could do an elif thing. So if bdict equals a key equals 4, then perfect. Or if bdict a key equals 2, good. Yeah, sure, why not? Let's see how that goes. Yeah, elif bdict a key equals 1, then Ender. You missed very little. We're tuning up the scoring system so it's a little there's a little more to it. Yeah, so instead of just having a threshold for like the success fail situation, there's now like a good and a great. So it's always been the case that if you hit the good result, then you get 2 points instead of 1 point. but now it's if you hit the great result, you get 5 points. So, yeah. It's also, I'm not super consistent with how I name things, because it's good and great in the naming conventions, but then the text that's shown outwardly will be perfect and good, maybe. Or nice. Nice. Perfect. No, nice, good. Nice, I guess, is fine for now. Alright, so yeah, let's do that now. Alright, so I'm gonna shut down the bot between matches. And then fire it back up again. See if that works. I might have introduced bugs. It's entirely possible I introduced bugs. Thank you, E. Anders. Yeah, I really want to play up on the, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I need a moment. Is that what I look like without eyebrows? Oh my goodness. I don't have words. I just don't have words. Is my face really that chubby? Did you make my face chubbier, or is my face always that chubby? I do look pretty banging, though. I think that palette works for me. Maybe I should switch to like a more of a jewel tone. Anyways, so yeah, maybe I should ask Extra Life if we can play this in their channel now. Oh yeah, oops, I should be paying attention to stuff. So left. Oh yeah, also the initiative bonus should be +2. Oh, I should do stats. Oh, oops, no, stats. 51. So I should get 5 points for this. Boulders are pretty scary. Boulders are actually one of my like I don't know if I actually have any phobias per se, but if I did, boulders would be one of them. The round length is way too long. We don't need that long. I'm gonna bump up the time between rounds and bump down the time during rounds, and then also we should do that thing that I talked about. Yeah, +5 points. Perfect. Left. +5 experience. 1 venture. Cower 0 experience. So now stats, it should say 56. Oops. Stats should say 56. Yeah, there we go. All right, I'll just check initiative. No, I'll do initiative once I restart. Once I change the numbers. So event duration will be down to 30 seconds, if we're at 30 seconds, I guess. And then the initiative duration, I'm gonna cut that down to like 7 seconds, I think. Alright, yeah, climb. Actually, maybe 10 seconds is okay. Nah, yeah, you don't need that much time. +2 experience for adventure 1, so now I should be at 58. Yeah, alright, so that seems to be working. I should do I'm not gonna get perfect on this one, because this is event type 3. So I'm only gonna get this is event type 1, so I am gonna get perfect. I just got event type 1 twice in a row. It's way too long. Way too long. Alright. I just like the first nightmare I remember having as a kid was I'm gonna restart it. Oh yeah, and then I should change the cooldown system. So if hmm hmm yeah, I should change how this works. Yeah, we're only gonna say we're only gonna repeat the Kurev intro every now and then. So yeah, let's say so uh, int count, etc. Repeat or recall. No, repeat uh, count equals 0. Say that repeat count repeat count plus equals 1 if repeat count I don't know how it'd be greater than, but greater than or equal to greater than or equal to what? Like greater than or equal to, I don't know, like every 4 times. Greater than or equal to 4. Then we repeat the wait, what does say count? Oh right, yeah. Then that's just for. Oh right, yeah. This is also for the right. uh, so yeah. Actually, no. Maybe I should do this differently. Yeah, no, because I want. Hmm. All right. Yeah. No, we'll have overtime instead. Actually. All right. So yeah, forget repeat count. Right. Instead, we'll have overtime. How's overtime work? Uh. Uh. Because overtime. Yeah, how does overtime work? Uh, hmm. Yeah, but so sorry. Basically, what I'm going to set up now is that I'm going to set it up so that if so you're right. So now the bot will say something once, and uh, actually, maybe instead of repeating the event, maybe it should just end. Maybe there should just be 0 result. Hmm. That seems fine, actually. Yeah. So no, if yeah, if we hit this, then let's just skip pretty much everything else and just go back to the whatever. So like global. No, we don't need to do global time. Edict. Yeah, just reset and start over. no participation, no fun. Edict gets wiped. Event time equals the new event cooldown. Outro time isn't actually really a thing, really, not technically. It's not one that matters. So I could comment that out, actually. It's not really much point in keeping it around. Outro time and outro dir. Outro string. Oh no, that's different. Outro string, outro string, outro string, outro string, outro string, outro string is still a real thing. Outro string, a real thing. Outro time, not a real thing. Not a real thing, not a real thing. Oh, so actually, yeah, there's a different way I could set that up. Because I don't have to say yeah, this doesn't have to be an else case. This can just be, we can just cut this and it's like, yeah, just cut this all together and unindent these things. What? Wait, what? No, wait. I guess that was supposed to be there. I guess. I don't know. Whatever. Right? Is that normal? I don't know. It could be. I'll find out. Alright, let's restart the bot and see if that works. So I want to test what happens if no one participates. So oh, I guess I could just not process incoming text. Alright, so don't worry, I'm just gonna stop incoming text from getting processed. But I'll bring it back in a second. I'll bring it back soon enough. I just want to see how this goes, because it should be the case that it just kind of spits out a thing and then waits for a thing and then it spits out another thing. All right, so yeah, it does that, but it's not going to be responsive this time. So sorry for anyone who might try and play along. It's just gonna say that, and then it's gonna wait a while. Oh yeah, actually, I will change one thing. I will bring back that else case a little bit, because oh shoot, it doesn't like that I'm crumping it up with data. All right, sorry, no, I need to stop the simulation before it crashes. Oh. Oops. Oops. Oh yeah, no, I know what I should do. I know what I should do instead. Stop the script. Stop it. You're dying inside. Stop. Alright, yeah, no, instead of doing that, I should do this. Top equals, yeah, just rinse it immediately. Alright, so now event cooldown, I'm gonna put it down to 5, and then event duration, I'm also gonna put that down to like 5. So this is gonna be like speed round, or no, I'll put this up to like 7, so it's at least longer than the initiative duration. Oh wait, so I should put it up to 8, so it's at least longer than the initiative duration. Alright, and then yeah, I'm gonna do something. Oh. Yeah. I guess I should do event cd mult equals or event cd compound cmpd equals equals event cooldown. But oh whoops, hold on. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention to chat. That'd be fun. Kind of if there's like some extremeness. Yeah, once I have a bigger event pool, the other thing I was thinking is like actually like putting together something that makes sense instead of just putting together like random things that pop up. So like there's actually a little more of like a linearity to like the things that you encounter instead of like you're on a pirate ship, you're in a cave, you're in a pirate ship again. Like I don't know, I guess that makes enough sense, but I think it would be nice to make the flow of it feel a little less here and there, kind of. I don't know. Alright, so yeah, so what was I gonna do? Right, so the else case that I just got rid of, I actually want to bring back. Specifically this one. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's also the thing. Eventually, like if I make this, if I like actually like send this to other people, like the events thing will be completely extensible. I just have it in code now, but like I already started setting up like the events folder for like the art assets, and so there would also be like a text file that had the event description as well. So instead of having to edit it in code, and then I would do other smart things. Like I wouldn't load all of the event data in at all times. Like you would only load in the event data when you need it. At least that's how I was gonna do the images and like art and stuff, just so you don't need like way too much image data loaded at all times. But I mean, this is a very nascent project. This is this is still the larval stage of the project. I actually have much grander plans for it. I don't know if I'm necessarily going to execute on all of them, but I have those plans. Yeah, this is the part that I was going to make else-ish. So put it here, and then also else this part. So this is the case where no one participated. So instead of just flatly restarting, outro time. I guess there's no outro if the event just transpires. And actually, I probably would want to change all of this if I switch back to the graphical art style. So event cooldown compound times equals 2 nah, actually no, I'm not gonna do it that way. I'm just gonna go extended event cooldown ext extended. Yeah, I know there's no such thing as ext. And I'm just going to define that as a much longer cooldown. So if no one participated, we just wait longer before queuing it up again, because it could mean that like no one is, etc. etc. Event cooldown extd. Is that what I called it, or is it just ext? I forget. Equals event cooldown. Let's say times 4. Oh, I never actually implemented the cooldown scale, did I? Event cooldown times what is it? Event time scale. Event time scale. Event cooldown. Oops. Yeah. Ext, not extd. Yeah. Alright. So yeah, cool. Alright. Oh, the bot's still not running because I ruined it, and et cetera, et cetera. Oh wait, so I can put the durations back up to normal durations instead of crazy durations. So event duration is like 30-ish, and then event cooldown I'll say is like 90-ish. No, we can do 60-ish. Yeah. Alright, and so there's a minute between rounds, but then if, actually no, I guess we can do times 3. Because we'll already have waited one duration. And then we'll wait 3 more. Alright. 3.5 maybe? 3.5. Alright. Final answer. Alright, let's run this again. Oh yeah, and I have, oh yeah, I can't forget that I've eradicated all input. So, oh wait, so yeah, I should try it with, oh wait, yeah. Hold on, wait, I have to restart it. Because for one thing, I still want to see the et cetera, et cetera. So I should nuke it right after I print it, save that, and then yeah, I want to test the thing. So event duration, let's say 8 seconds. Event cooldown, say 5 seconds, and let's say the extended cooldown is like times 10. So it should go really fast. Oh wait, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna cheat. I'm going to cheat for a moment. Where's, yeah, top. So if what is it? So if top 0 to 6, 0 to 7. Wait, hold on. I just need to check something real quick. Jrne bot TMI Twitch. Yeah. Alright, so stop that. Oops, sorry. I killed the bot, I'm sorry. If top 7 equals bin rate, or not equals bin rate. Clear it. So I'm just making it temporarily so that the bot only responds to me. Because I'm a cheater and I just want to test this thing real quick. Alright, so it should still do the first one. I just have to be quick about it. Climb. So yeah, the next one should, so I participated in this one, so the next one should come around pretty fast. Wait, what? Why is it taking so long? Oh, maybe I did my, I probably put my cheat in wrong. So that could be good, because since it's not coming back fast, that means that nothing happened. So yeah, this is probably just not how my cheat. What did I do wrong there? I feel like that should have worked. Alright, well yeah, the rest of it seemed to work out okay. So I guess I need to cheat better. So if top dot find bin rate greater than greater than 10. Yeah, let's see if that one works. I'm basically just trying to cheat is all. I'm just trying to cheat so that you guys all lose and I win. And ha 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 ha. So hopefully this one won't work. Yay, I did it. Alright. So the next round should, oh, uh-oh. What did I do? What? Why was coffers in there? No one said coffers. Where are we airing? 437. Oh. Oh. Oh, I just... Stupid copy and paste error. Yeah. Stupid copy and paste error. Well, it's better to find these now, I suppose. Yeah. Yerp. Alright. Good. So, once again, I'm still cheating. The game's still only responds to me and my bot. Sorry. I just need to test this real quick. Hashtag swing. I think one of my formatting rules will be, alright, so the next one should happen pretty quick. Yep, good. But now if no one participates, it should take a while for the next one to happen. Like a minute or so. So we should just go for like a minute or so in silence. Relative silence. Alright, so chow. I don't know what I'm saying. Alright, so we haven't seen one yet, so that's probably good. Oh, I wonder if I should do that thing about ping pong. You know the thing about ping pong? The thing about ping pong. You guys know about that? Like there's like a keep alive or something. Alright, cool. So, hoist. Yeah. Alright, cool. I'll unhack this game. Because it seems to be fine now. Yeah, alright, that's fine. I'll probably leave that hack in, I'll just comment it out, so that way, in case I ever need to test it again, and just like, pull it back out. Alright, so, oh yeah, I think one of my naming conventions thing is that, I don't want to use plural nouns, I think I would just want to use singular nouns. So, where you pick a flower. Yeah, like with fires. Crosswind cower, shout, subdue, cower, climb, shake, cower, hoist, batten, shiver. Oh, am I spelling shiver right? Are there CVs in shiver? Shiver. Oh no. Huh. Why did I think there were two? Shiver. Huh. Yeah, that's weird. I guess I'm just weird. Anyways. Oh yeah, I remember that. What was I doing? Oh yeah, shiver. Oh yeah, so we peruse a coffer, examine an ancient relic, singular, or cower and fear. Alright, cool. Save all that good stuff. Oh yeah, ping pong. Ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. Yeah, so the network sends a keep alive, I noticed, and I don't actually respond to the keep alive, so I feel like I should. I don't know, maybe I don't need to, but other people do, which made me think maybe I should. Uh, yeah, wait, hold on. Let me. I don't think I hallucinate. Oh wait, the numbers are still crazy. I just have to make the numbers less crazy. Uh, so right, the event duration is 30. The event cooldown is like 60. And oh yeah, and the event cooldown whatever is like 325. All right, save that. Yeah, so let's. I'm pretty sure I saw like little keep alives, which is just like I think if the server isn't like if it doesn't, it's just every now and again it'll say ping, and it does that I guess for the sake of like apparently like if you I'm not a network programmer, so but from my understanding it's like these things happen because it's something about like keeping the connection open, like if it does it to see if you're still there basically, and then if you're not, it might close the connection. So yeah, I don't know exactly what that's about. But wow, it's 7:05 now. I don't necessarily. It's funny right now. I'm not necessarily streaming because I want to stream. I'm just streaming because I'd be like doing dev stuff. And anyways, if I'm doing dev stuff, I might as well stream. I might take a break eventually. Like I might stop streaming because like before things might get really interesting, but I'll probably still stay actually try and get someone to play the game. Try. Oh hey, new rule or new policy update. If you need if you want to make a specific Photoshop of my face, and you need like a particular facial expression, feel free to request a facial expression, and I'll hold it on camera on stream for like however long. So for example, if you needed a Kamehameha face, like you could have just like said like, "Hey Ben," or "Hey Binri, make a screaming face," and I'd be like, and then you could take a screenshot of it and then use that. So yeah, free carte blanche facial expressions. If you want to see a facial expression, or you want to see or if you want to hear a word mispronounced, carte blanche, open invitation. You let me know. I will. This is a full server. Yeah. So for example, Eanders, you could have said, "Ben, make a scared face," and I could have or something. I don't know. Wait. Oh, the screaming face. How's that? Alright. I guess I do kind of look like I'm cowering in that picture. Do I look sad when I code? I don't know why I look sad in that picture. I'm not always like looking at the monitor, so I don't know. Maybe that's just my natural facial expression. The only time I really look at the monitor is if I'm looking at chat, so. Hey Tom! Oh, you don't have to apologize for anything. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I was just saying, I think I'll try and stay online after I stream, because I don't know. Maybe I'll just stay on. Maybe I'll just stay online, and I'll just keep punching out events or something. I don't know. I mean, I should if I'm gonna find a stream to play the game. I should do it soon. Did I start doing that and get distracted? Oh yeah, well there's the official one. I could always ask them. Oh, they said they're switching streams. Oh, so they're what, just like playing commercials or something? I don't know. Yeah, let's see how things are going. So I could just ask Siege Games, and instead of encouraging people to donate to charity, I could just encourage people to buy Siege Games' game. Or I could just like literally bomb any channel, like basically any channel. Whoa, has Proletariat online and offline at the same time? And Silent Game Jam is online and offline at the same time. What's going on? Or I could just like find a channel about text adventure games and hey Jonas, how's it going? Wait, what game am I playing? I don't understand the question. Sorry. Maybe I'm just being slow right now. Maybe I should ask Ludum Dare for help. You got it. I only held that face for a second. You are quick on the Prince King key. Nice. Oh, I should get in the habit of opening this on the main monitor. Once I just so that people in the archives don't have to crunch the numbers to get the link or whatever. So I could ask Ludum Dare for help with the October challenge. I don't know. Maybe you're not supposed to do that though. That might be cheating. I mean, this whole project is cheating, and I also don't care about it because it's silly. I mean, like I don't. It's like it's an excuse to do something, so I'm not like worried about. Like if I fail, I guess. Oh my gosh, I'd be so distraught. No, if I fail, then the message there is don't wait until the second to last week of the month to start on your project if it's due at the end of the month. Yeah. So. Oh. If only one person hoists. Yeah. Yeah, the type what is that? Type 2. Type 2 is hard in single player. Oh, and I guess type 3 is as well. Type 2 and 3. Difficult in multiplayer. Ooh. Oh, I just thought of something. Like this is a little awkward because like yeah, that was why I was thinking of overtime initially. Because, like, in this case, like, nothing apparently happened. Like, the person returned to chat. They saw whatever. Yeah. Alright. So, actually, I should probably change that again. Instead of just ending unceremoniously. It should end slightly less, or slightly more ceremoniously. Yeah, so, alright, so... So... Overtime. Alright, I will put all of this back into the thing for now. Wait. Yeah. Wait, what? Okay, yeah. So then, alright, so yeah, no, what actually happens in the else case? In the else case, we extend the time, but we go into overtime. So the round will end as soon as we get any votes. Yeah, wait, how does this work? So, we don't reset yet. We extend. Well, how much of this can we put off? Event on, we cannot put off. Event played. No. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, wait. Yeah, because we already have event played. Alright, cool. So event played. So yeah, event time equals frame time plus event cooldown extension. If sorry, this is just a weird case. So we want it so that I want it so that if we run to time, we go into overtime. In overtime, what happens is if we get any response, the event instantly ends. Or no, I guess it doesn't have to end instantly. If we get any response, then the event ends in the very near future. And then otherwise, there's the other timer wherein if we get to if it goes long enough, then we actually just spawn a new event. So yeah. So I guess event time. Oh yeah. Okay. So overtime. Overtime equals true. True. Capital C. True. C. Yeah, let's set up overtime. Overtime equals false. For starters, yeah, so overtime equals true. So yeah. So if overtime, right, the case where something happens, a key is found. No, that's initiative key. All right, so in the case that a key is found, if overtime, what do we do? Oh yeah, event time equals frame time plus event time, no, plus event dir divided by 3. So it just goes for a little while longer. And then also overtime is false. or yeah, because we don't have to worry about overtime anymore. The rest will play out naturally. Um, but if yeah, all right. So if overtime uh, if overtime here, then we do something else. No. No. Neither of those things. Indent to the extent I would care for you to indent, please. Thank you. If overtime, then we basically want to do this stuff. Then, well, yeah, so we want to do this stuff. We basically just want to skip right to the next event. It's a little sketchy. Probably going to need my hack in order to test this. Actually, I might just put in like the slightest of dead time. Use reset edict. Event time. Yeah, event time. Oh yeah, when we reset, overtime equals false. Oops. Whoop. So, whoop. That's weird. It's just opened on my other screen. I have no clue what's happening right there. Yeah, I don't know why that's not opening. It opened fine on my other screen. There it is. um, So, are we done with that? Is that all set now? No. Wait, we still have to do something else, right? Oh yeah, event time equals frame time, I guess. Yeah, and then it'll evaluate on the very next frame. Maybe. And we'll just evaluate immediately. So that should be tight enough timing, I feel like. I won't worry about the exact cleanup work. Yeah, hopefully that'll be okay. Yeah, I feel like that should be fine. Alright, so good, cool. I'm gonna turn on my hack so I can test this. My cheats. Leap cheats. Save that. Play game. Oops, sorry, I restarted it. I don't think anyone was playing anyways, so, alright. Alright, so, I should have done the tight timing. Yeah, I should do the tight timing. So, event duration, put that down to 8, and put the event cooldown to well, like 5, and then the event cooldown multiplier like 10. Alright, save that, and then play this, actually. Again, my cheat is on, so I apologize, but it's not going to be very playable until I get this straightened out. I just want to make sure this works. Alright, so let's make sure the really tight loop works. So left.